Kevin Davitt, a CBOE instructor, joins us now for our final trade of the day, and he really caught a trade that's been moving through here at the exchange. Thanks for coming on the show again.
Thank you for having me.
So your stock is Michael Kors. What do you see in options volume happening with Kors?
Earlier this week, we had news out of Michael Kors that they were closing between 100 and 125 retail locations. That's about 15% of their total locations. They're struggling. The stock dipped about 10%, and options have been particularly active.
So why would the options be active now that the news is out?
Well, anytime I think you get a 10% move in an underlying market, and Kors tested levels midweek that it last breached in early 2012. So you're talking about a stock that moves through strike prices that maybe force activity. So when you look at average daily volume in a name like Kors, it averages about 4,000 options a day, and on Wednesday they traded 30,000 options.
Wow.
On Thursday before noon there were 5,000, so it sparks interest.
They like it. Okay, so what are you seeing the big traders do here? What do they want to happen to that stock, or what is the options market potentially predicting could be ahead for Kors?
One arguably interesting trade from earlier this week was a put seller in Kors in the August cycle options. So specifically what they did was go out and sell the August 27.5 puts. Those, if you assume about a 30 to 35% volatility, are 15 delta puts. They have less than 80 calendar days until expiration, and this trader took in 40 cents on the sale. And if you tie up $2,750, so you're selling the 27.5 strike, taking in 40 bucks over the course of about 80 days, that's a potential to make about 1.5% return over that time frame. That in and of itself might be compelling. And then alternatively, if you're a put seller, maybe you are targeting a point that you want to be long Michael Kors, and the math on that is fairly easy. You take your strike price less the premium that you took in, so in this case 27.5, less that 40 cents. Somebody maybe wants to be long Kors if it gets down to 27.10.
Always a pleasure to have you here. Thank you, Kevin.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.